jump on the floor and it's getting nasty. Yeah. He ain't keeping his hands up off my ass.
Hey Jules, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a soft glam makeup look using all drugstore products, and we're also going to be following Jaclyn's new foundation routine that she recently did. So if you'd like to see how that turns out and what products I'll be using, stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil in the shade Simma Brown to fill in my eyebrows. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Cinnamon to clean up my brows. So now that that's done, I'm going to go back in with the same concealer and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. And use this as my eyeshadow base. Hopefully this is going to work out and not end up like the Say So video. In the Jaclyn Hill palette, the first shade I'm going to be going in with is the shade Pukey, and that's going to be my transition shade. Next, I'm going in with the color Mocha, and I'm going to put that under my transition shade. Now I'm going in with the shade Central Park, and I'm going to put that in my outer V area and a little into my crease. So these concealers are not considered drugstore in my opinion, but you can go to your local Sally's Beauty Supply and pick them up from there. And there is, or there was, I don't know if they're still there. If it is, I'll link it down below. They're $3 online. If they're not $3 in the store, you can just pull up the webpage online and get the $3 in store if you would like to pick them up in store. I'm going to be using the lighter shade to cut my crease. going back in with the shade Mocha to blend out those edges. For my lid, I'm going in with the shade Hustle. I'm going in with my Milani Ludicrous Lights eye topper. This is in the shade Peachella, and I'm just going to apply this on the top of my eyeshadow. Using my e.l.f. Super Precise eyeliner to line my eyes. I'm going to be using my Loreal Voluminous Mascara in the shade Blackest Black. For my primer, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Matte Lock Primer. We're going to start off with our contour first. I'm using my Black Radiance foundation stick in the shade Chocolate Dipped. Now I'm going to conceal with my Milani Conceal Perfect Concealer, and this is in the shade Deep Tan. I'm going to be using my Milani Screen Queen foundation, and this is in the shade Rich Sienna. We're going to apply the foundation everywhere where we did not apply any contour or concealer. I'm mixing it around on the brush so that the foundation can be evenly all over the brush. Now that that's done, I'm going to blend everything with my beauty blender. To set my highlighted areas, I'm going to be using my Morphe Bacon Set Powder, and this is in the shade Translucent. For my blush, I'm going to be using my Black Radiance blush, and this is in the shade Brickhouse. And I definitely got a little carried away with her. Now I'm going to reverse contour with that same powder that I used to set my highlight. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using my Black Radiance powder in the shade Ebony. So to line my lips, I'm using my Wet n Wild pencil. This is in the shade Simma Brown. I'm gonna pop on my lashes really quickly. And for my lipstick, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Lipstick. And this is in the shade Bittersweet. For my highlighter, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder, and this is in the shade Crown of My Canopy. And then to top my lipstick, I'm going to be using my Milani Ludicrous Lights lip gloss, and this is in the shade Peach Ella, and I'm just going to apply that on the top of that. And that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you guys are subscribed. Until next time, jewels.